Introduction 5S. 5S defined as methodology that result in a workplace that is clean, safe, and well organized to reduce waste. 5S quality tool is derived from 5 Japanese terms beginning with a letter S, used to create a workplace suitable for visual. The first 5S sort. Sort is identify and remove unnecessary item. This video shows sorting the wire by color and remove the wire that are no longer needed in this work area after completing the task.
For the second step, sort and order. Sort and order is the process of organizing and arranging the necessary items in the workplace in such a way that they are easy to access and use. The main goal is to ensure that everything has a designated place and that we can quickly find and use any tools and material we need. By sorting and ordering our workplace, worker can perform tasks faster without wasting time searching for tools and material. In this video, as we can see here, clear label on drawer and bin help quickly identify the content. Each tool has a specific spot with a shadow outline, so immediately obvious if something is missing. By taking the time to organize our tool and material properly, we set the stage for successful in all subsequent steps of the 5S methodology.
Next, shine is the third step in 5S methodology. It involves cleaning the workspace thoroughly to ensure everything is in optimal condition. This step goes beyond basic cleaning. It includes inspecting equipment and work areas to spot and fix any issues. Regular cleaning helps prevent problems, improve safety, and creates a more pleasant work environment. Shine promotes pride in the workspace and ensures that standards of cleanliness are maintained consistently. As you can see, during the shine step of 5S, ensure to sweep away debris and dispose of excess materials like wire and conduit to maintain a clean and orderly workspace.
The next step is standardize. So what is standardize? Standardize is a step is a bridge between the first 3 5S steps and the last step sustain. So in this step, your goal is to capture best practices for 5S and standardized work for the team. Why do we need to standardize? Standardize make 5S repeatable. It transforms 5S from a one-off project to a reproducible set of activities. So what are the example of standardize? Some of the example are such as write down 5S practices, create implementation checklist and audit checklist, create kits that contain the materials needed to perform a specific task, use photo and other simple visual as part of the training materials, and build a schedule for tasks. But not least, the last part is the sustain, which in the Japanese is Shizuke. So what is sustain? The sustain is to ensure that 5S is applied on an ongoing basis. It transforms the standardized 5S processes into regular completed tasks. So why do we need to sustain this process? Log in the gain and ensure further and continued progress. So what are the examples of the sustain? Some of the examples are such as hold a demonstration meeting to explain complex or multi-step processes, and then perform periodic check-in after initial training, teach employees to run 5S audits, respond to mistakes with additional trainings, and encourage supervisor and operator to communicate openly and constructively. So we need to improve 5S to implement the sustain part.
For the conclusion, sort, set in order, shine, standardize, and sustain can help keep workspace organized and efficient. By following these steps, businesses can reduce waste, improve safety, and increase productivity. Consistently using 5S leads to lasting improvements and a better work environment.